And now we are here at Lufthansa Airlines, and we are here with Kun Ann. Yeah, the first question I want to ask you is, how about the training today?
It was a good experience to have banana team with us, and we have shared many experiences together, and we spent time with English period together, and it was so much fun and very interesting.
Okay, so what did you learn from this training?
It's learn about how to be good in English, and some who not have self-confidence on themselves, they have more confidence, and whoever have a self-confidence, they have more and more self-confidence.
Okay, thank you. So last question, could you say something to maybe students or the person who want to improve their English skills?
English is not hard, it's quite easy, but you have to need practice, and you have to be, yes, exactly, self-confidence, and you have to be believe in yourself that you can be.
Okay.